Unitronic. So once we've opened all of those many boxes from Unitronic, we were greeted with some really cool stuff. So the very pretty carbon fiber stuff right in front of me here is Unitronic's 4-inch air intake system for both the RS3 and the new ttrs. Upon first glance, it's really obvious that this stuff is very well made. The carbon fiber looks absolutely incredible, but it's also functional as well. This entire system improves airflow by up to 88% with smooth air transitions for proven increased horsepower on the dyno. So the combination of all the really nice carbon fiber stuff all fits together, and this is one large air intake system. And Unitronic was even nice enough to include all the hardware you'll need, some mounting grommets, and some rubber trim so you can protect all your pieces and keep everything looking really nice. So also included in the kit is their brand new Intercooler Upgrade Kit. If I'm not mistaken, this is one of the very first on the market, as well as their new downpipe with included mid pipes. And both these things are really good looking, and you can tell they're made really well. The intercooler itself has 71% more volume than the OEM setup. So if you're running more boost, you know this is a must-have upgrade. So one nice thing about Unitronic stuff is it's all engineered to work with factory mounting points. So just like the intake system up on the desk, which fits all on OEM mounting points, the downpipe with the midpipe is the same way. And it also uses your factory oxygen sensor placement, factory hangers, and everything like that. And we've been told it will not light up your dash like a Christmas tree like most other downpipes for the platform. So that's really exciting. So in addition to all the hardware they've given us that you can see here, there's also a software section and some cool electronics, as well as improved fuel delivery. So we'll jump into another box really quick. All right, so inside the smaller box, we've got a little more hardware and a whole bunch of Unitronic swag, which includes a license plate frame, big stickers, small stickers, some badges that you can put on your car, air freshener, t-shirt, and a whole bunch of Unitronic branded stuff. I assume this comes in any extremely large package like we got. It also includes Unitronic's Mpi Injector Upgrade Kit. So you've got your little harnesses, 5 of them because 5-cylinder engines are awesome. And then some Bosch higher capacity injectors, which are E85 capable as well. Using these and a stage 2 tune, you can already get an additional 183 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. Also includes NGK Racing Competition Spec spark plugs, again 5 of them because 5 cylinders are cool. An upgraded vacuum line for your wastegate, which will now be running higher boost. A spacer for the adaptive cruise control. This is for 2019 and up Audi RS3. They've been changed from the 2018 and earlier versions, so you will need this to keep cruise control with the installation of all these parts. There's also a Unitronic intake adapter, both the adapter plate and hose, assuming the hose that's on your factory setup will no longer be long enough for this new installation, so this covers the gap. And the real fun stuff is in this little pouch. This is Unitronic's Uniconnect Plus. So this is where all your horsepower is really coming from at the end of the day. So with the help of a tuner, you can load all of your tunes into the car and flash your ECU in about 15 minutes. And this really allows you to tinker with everything on a software level.